That's right, guys. I'm back. We got some more news for today. We have some news about a new phone coming to Cricket Wireless, AT&T, and of course, as the title states, Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys want to go ahead and take a look at this article, I'll leave a link in the description down below for your own use. You guys can go ahead and visit that source and read that on your own time if you guys are into that. So this is from FanDroid.com. It says, grab the Samsung Galaxy A14 with AT&T and Cricket Wireless plans. Now, as you guys know, the last few weeks I've been talking about the Galaxy A14 5G, and it's actually releasing January 12th. I'm super excited about it. It is coming to pretty much every prepaid carrier you can think of: Boost Mobile, Cricket Wireless, Metro by T-Mobile, which they just released a video of it, as you guys can see right here. And they did an unboxing of this device, so if you guys want to go ahead and take a look at that, I would definitely go over their channel and check it out. I'm not going to link their channel, but I'll go ahead and plug them really quick. They did a really quick overview of the phone specifications, and you just get a better idea of how everything looks on the device, to be quite honest. So it's about a little under 2 minutes long, so it just gives you a better idea of it pretty much. But now that you guys know it's coming to Metro by T-Mobile, I'm sure I'll be able to get it next week, probably like Friday or Saturday, so stay tuned, hit the notification bell, and make sure you're subscribed. But also for the AT&T and Cricket Wireless customers, this is for you, and we're going to get into this. So it says, following the official reveal of the new Samsung Galaxy A14, AT&T has likewise announced the availability of the handset with its unlimited 5G plans targeted at price-conscious customers. The phone will be available online and in stores, so you guys don't have to go in stores anymore to pick up your phone. Users can grab the Galaxy A14 with unlimited plans for multiple family members, which include AT&T 5G access and AT&T Active Armor mobile security that detects and prevents threats, in addition to easy-to-use security apps and solutions. This also comes with international travel usage, so you can use your Galaxy A14 with unlimited high-speed data, calls, SMS, and more than 210 destinations for $10 a day, including 19 Latin American countries for customers on AT&T's unlimited premium plan. Customers can also choose when and where they want to receive your device, including free shipping with flexible returns, as well as same-day pickup. As for specifics, customers can get the new handset with Rex $200 on 0% APR and a 63-month agreement. Well-qualified customers can avail the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G for $2 a month. Additionally, AT&T business customers can purchase the Galaxy A14 5G for $24.99 on a 2-year service agreement. Additionally, Cricket Wireless will also have the A14 available to new and existing customers online in store for $189.99 starting on January 13th. So the 13th is when AT&T and Cricket Wireless will get this device, and I'm thinking that's the same now that I'm thinking of it. So yeah, not the 12th, the 13th for Metro by T-Mobile as well. It looks like they have it over here for $189 though. I think that Metro by T-Mobile for full retail price is going to be like $199 or something like that, so maybe like $10 more. Also, obviously there's going to be tons of port-in deals on this device, tons of like new activation deals and all that type of stuff on each of these brands, not just Metro by T-Mobile, so just keep that in mind. And we're going to get into the specifications of this device just one more time, so you guys know about this. This is just the basics. The Samsung Galaxy A14 comes with a 6.6-inch display and runs on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI software. Other specs include a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, partnered with 4 GB of RAM, with a triple main camera setup, all running on a 5,000 mAh battery. So those are the specifics that we have on the phone so far. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are interested in this device. Also, we're going to be getting news on the release of the Galaxy A54, and that's about to drop as well, so I'm excited about that device. I'll be getting that in my possession, as well as the new Galaxy A34. So make sure to subscribe, also hit the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I drop a new video. But this has been Safal from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.